All right, so we're gonna get rid of that seam in our wall. Never mind the 3 dogs in front, but that seam looks horrible. We've tried patching it, we've tried everything. So I have come up with a plan. So you'll have to stick with us and see what we do. All right, so there's the picture I drew out for my husband. I just drew on a printout of what I wanted. So now he's cut all these boards and they've got all kinds of nice little stripes and knots and on them. I've got some shades of gray stain. I'm just gonna lightly stain these different colors of gray, you know, kind of match my floors. And this is what's gonna cover my wall. So follow along as we do this project. All right, so I'm starting, I've got most of these all done. All I'm using is an old t-shirt to do this. And I'm just dipping it in my stain and just rubbing it on just so I get like a random color on it. I can wipe it off as much as I want or as little, just like the dark. I didn't want it too dark. I wanted some of the natural wood to show through, and that's what's going on. Sorry, I'm shaking. I think I'm getting high from this stuff. All right, so I got them all stained the way I want them. Dark, light, natural color. Because this wood has like a nice little weird gray zebra? Is that in the word? Stripe in it, so it kind of looks kind of neat. So all I'm gonna do is wait for these to dry, and then my husband's gonna hang them on the wall. I think this will look super sharp.
Businesses use same names to advertise products. The tax also refers functionality for photo documentation. To find out tax, make your business more efficient and profitable. Visit tsdogsdragonfliesfarm. When I started corporate life, I had control over my business and now QuickBooks lets me get paid, manage cash flow, and work payroll. And now I'm back on top.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Putting that in the overlap so we don't see it that well.
These are the ones that you might see like this. But I'm trying to hide them in the dark where you can't really see them.
Yep.
Because I'm worried the dogs might get them off.
Look at the next one.
I said we should be able to.
All right, so he's got most of it up. Now he's just measuring the piece that fits up there. And that will look cool. And then we can put all of our pictures on it. And no more seam. All right, there it is. Now it is a feature wall. Not some ugly seam down the middle. Let me step back so you can see it all in one frame. Yeah, I like it. Nice.